There is renewed concern over the trajectory of Denver public schools after recent testing showed some students are being left behind. Well, now one group wants to step in to rally the community around the school district and get it back on track. Tori Mason introducing us to this group tonight. And Tori, they simply want the Denver community to care about Denver schools.
Yeah, Karen, and Educate Denver says the quality of our schools directly impacts the social and economic health of our city. It's a diverse group made up of everyone from community leaders to business owners, all fighting for education.
The primary focus in Denver isn't always education, right? It's transportation, there's housing, there's healthcare, there's all these issues.
When it comes to schools, Senator James Coleman says the communities become passive. Educate Denver wants to engage local leaders on district issues, making them part of DPS success.
We're saying to business and civic leaders, we need you to get engaged as well.
Superintendent Alex Marrero says the public is more empowered than ever.
It's symbiotic in a sense, collective responsibility, which is educational equity, but if you want to call it the burden falls on these shoulders, because that's the hardest thing to do, to execute.
Denver has the largest test score gaps by race in the state. Educate Denver knows opportunity gaps didn't happen under one superintendent.
Equity was one of the measurements, ways schools were measured in Denver public schools before the framework was suspended.
Rodriguez says there must be a community-wide expectation for better education because today's students are the city's future. Educate Denver will keep pushing.
This group is going to ask these tough questions, then I'll be in the back rooting them on because I want to know the answers to those questions as well.
And Educate Denver also believes that parents deserve real information about how these schools are actually serving their kids. They hope to be involved in that new district dashboard that will measure schools' progress. We're live in Denver. Tori Mason covering Colorado First.